Show Remix.
And now I know there is nothing that I could not do. Thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, for showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I hope for is thanks to you. There's no mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no fall from grace can't stop me from believing that my love will see me through. Thanks to you. This is for your mama, I thank you, and it's all because of you. There's no mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak. There's no fall from grace can't stop me from believing that my love will see me through. Thanks to you, thanks to you, for teaching me how to live, for putting things in perspective, for teaching me how to give and how to take no mistake. We were put here together, and if I break down.
Okay, kag-tunan tayo si birthday sa mga ate at pala. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Isa pa te. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Kala mo blow agad ah. Siyempre, bago may blow tayo, mag-wish ka muna.
Ayan na yung sinasabi ni Tien.
Wish, wish, wish!
Wish mo na! Nang pangmalakasan na, Sheila. Mahaba-haba yun.
Okay! Rocket candle! Happy birthday, Ate Sheila! Oh, yan! Hindi lang sa edit. Ayan. So, ate, pagkatapos ito, meron tayong dapat marinig na mensahe. At walang iba kundi kay Ma'am Lilia! Anong message nyo kay Ma'am Sheila? Hindi pwedeng wala kayong mensahe dahil kayo po Tabi po kayo. Sige po. Anong message po natin kay Ma'am Sheila?
To Sheila, today is the celebration of your 31st birthday. Celebrate your birthday smiling, knowing in your heart how much you are loved. Rejoice and be happy always, no matter what. May the good Lord bless you always wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Okay. Anong mensahe kay Ma'am Sheila, ate?
Happy birthday! May you find love that you've been searching for. Pero
Ayan.
anong love? Yung mga labunan namin ng mano mo.
Ayan.
Love wins. Ayan. Oh, Monica!
Hindi pa tapos ang lahat. Meron pang isa at walang iba kundi si Nix! Halika! Hindi pwede wala! Ah!
Buntik na nahulog.
Loyal customer! Okay.
Happy birthday, Ate Sheila. Salamat sa pagtagal mo dito sa amin. Sana alagaan mo pa sila, mama at si papa.
Bait niyo at sa mabait nila, no, ramdam ko, te. Ayan, no, may sorpresa ka. Yan yung hindi na nabibili na, di ba? Lansang ito,
Sarah na
Ayan. So, ano pang masasabi niyo kay Ma'am Lilia at sa mga pamilya dito? Ano masasabi niyo po kay Ma'am Lilia? Sa mga pinsan at anak?
Thank you po sa inyong lahat. You really surprised me. I didn't expected this. God bless sa ating lahat. Sana maging normal na po lahat. Para magkikita-kita na ulit mga magpapamilya.
Ayan. So, okay na yan, te? Masaya ka?
Yes, ma'am!
Kasi kung ako napapanood?
Yes!
Wow! Ayan.
I'm your stop, number one
Ayan, so, in behalf of Edison's Flower Shop and Party List, thank you, Ma'am Lilia, sa pag-trust at sa pagpili sa akin dahil kay Nico. Ayan. At syempre sa lahat po na nandito, maraming salamat. At saka syempre, tatandaan mo, te, andyan sila lagi, andyan para sa'yo, nagmamahal sila ate.